Okay guys, welcome back. Tuloy na natin itong Horizon Zero Dawn Remastered na Let's Play walkthrough. Feeling ko ang dami ko nang nagawa dito sa game na to. Pero so far parang nakakalimang oras pa lang ata ako dito. In total nakakalimang oras pa lang ata ako dito sa larong to. Parang ang dami nang nangyari. Anyway, after all these years, maganda pa rin siya, masaya pa rin siyang laruin. Ito yung mga tipong laro na pwede mong ulit-ulitin ba? Kasi hindi talaga siya nakakasawa. Although, kailangan mo lang talaga paglaanan ng oras. Siyempre, kahit ano namang laro, kailangan mo paglaanan ng oras. Pero, ayun. So, sana ba tayo? Check lang natin yung quests. Pwede na pala tayo dun sa Mother's Crown, tsaka yung kay Sona. Alin ba mas malapit? Yung sa Mother's Crown. Ito muna. Okay, tuloy na tayo sa main story. Ayan.
Mother's
Wow.
Crown.
My own
Feels more like a
downfall.
military camp.
Should have got out of
I
there
bet this
quick.
village has seen better days. So many wounded. The tribe's been hit hard.
Yun ako napansin
Here
agad.
she is.
The machine.
They made her a
Some
seeker.
things are beyond
Come here,
my
girl. Let's have a look at
I'll
you.
know better next time.
Una ko agad napansin yung
It said the Karja fort has closed the
yung
border.
dalawang side
Valley is
quests.
sealed.
Tatlo pala.
She's an outcast no longer.
Curiosity is for
Sige.
dreamers,
One at a time.
not for braves.
The girl with the mark of a seeker. The sentinel saw you coming.
You're Maria. Varl told me you'd know the way to Meridian.
The Karja capital. West will take you to it, but their soldiers will stop you long before you get there.
They can try.
No, what I mean is there's a Karja fort that guards the pass between east and west. Word is the Karja have sealed the gate out of fear of the corrupted machines infesting our sacred land.
So if I clear out the corrupted machines, they'll open the border?
I suppose. But I can't spare any braves to help you.
Who said I needed help?
You'll clear the valley, all by yourself.
I'm good with a bow.
For your sake? Better than good, I hope.
You underestimate my power. Dialogue. Muna.
So I'll find this Karja fort to the west? And beyond that, Meridian?
Yes, the Karja call the place Day Tower. It's not far from the Forsaken Village.
What Forsaken village?
It had a name once, not that it matters now. I was born there.
What happened to it?
The war. The Karja destroyed in one of their red raids. I was 15 at the time. I got away, others weren't so lucky. The Nora withdrew to this place, Mother's Crown. Relinquished our claim on the valley. Even now, with the war behind us, we've left the valley be. A kind of buffer between the Sundom and our sacred land.
How far has the corruption spread?
I've seen it myself in machines at the head of the valley, and there's been word of corrupted machines in the south, too. Whatever the corruption is, it doesn't just affect machines. It burns flesh and sickens the injured.
Do the corrupted machines have any weaknesses?
Fire seems to affect them more than ordinary machines. A small mercy. This is a curse only the goddess can lift.
Unless we find out what's behind it and put a stop to it.
The matriarchs have spoken, Aloy. All we can do is fight, and pray to the goddess.
So you're in charge of the defenses here?
Mother's Crown defends itself. During the war, it survived 15 assaults, broke 3 invasions. We will endure.
Trying to live up to glorious pasts has a way of getting people killed.
You wouldn't know this, but I won the proving the year I ran. Like you, I started off behind, had to find a shortcut. I barely made it, crossed the finish line with a broken ankle.
This isn't the proving, Maria. This is real.
You missed my point. Getting posted to Mother's Crown? It was the boon I requested. My prize for winning. Trying to live up to the glory of the Nora hasn't killed me yet. But if it has to, I'm willing.
Hardcore. Hardcore.
I should be going.
All right. Be careful out there, Aloy. I hope you find whatever it is you're after.
Forget the faithless murderers and whatever
Next
cursed
time,
tribe
I'll
they come
remember
from.
what the matriarchs decreed.
Few who saw them return to tell of it. Faithless killers, their tribe unknown.
Check natin, baka may bagong weapons or higher tier na weapons.
Well, I hope you're looking to buy. I could use the shards. See anything you like? Sure you do.
Same din. Same din na sa previous na mga merchants.
Well, I'll be off. I hope business picks up.
Thanks. Me too.
Surely the
Ilan ba shards ko? 1,000.
faithless would not turn on us again. I can't believe such a thing. The carja.
Babalikan ko na lang tong mga side quests na to, pero ako ko na kung nasabi ko na to dun sa previous videos, hindi ko na muna masyado lahat ipapakita yung mga side quests, lalo na pag hindi naman siya ganun ka-importante. Pero stick muna tayo sa main missions, main story.
My own damn fault.
Siguro from time to time magpapakita ako ng isang side quest yung somewhat medyo importante para magkaroon ng dagdag context dun sa main story. Pero for now, tuloy lang tayo sa main story.
She survived her wounds.
So, ano ba? Ano ba unahin natin? Meron pala akong pwedeng options. Pwede akong mag cauldron kasi dito pag tinuloy ko to dire-diretso na to sa sa Carja. Sige, itong corrupted zone gawin ko tapos mag-isang cauldron ako. Ito sure ako kasi kailangan natin ito matapos. Sige. Tama ba ako? Tama. Mga grazer lang naman pala. Kala ko scrapper.
Those machines. You can see the corruption coming off them like smoke. Time to clear them out. The flames burn stronger than usual. The flames, they're burning it.
Isa pa.
I'd have to leave something else behind. This poison seems almost to eat away at metal. Maybe that's what drives the machines mad. Might find a way to use it someday.
Ayan, so next, yan, cauldron tayo. Para lang dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung cauldron is ano siya, place siya kung saan minamanufacture itong mga machines, itong mga robot na animals. Ay wow, nag-stutter. Kailangan ko na talaga mag-upgrade yung GPU.
Okay, the signal's getting close.
Sigma. Cauldron Sigma. Ano ba? Bandit. Ayokong makigulo. Bahala kayo dyan. Ayan, may scrapper.
Cauldron. There's gotta be a way in, somehow.
Ano mo natin yung mga watchers. Lagi ko nakakalimutan. Kailangan ko mag-survey. Okay. Okay. Dalawang watcher. Ay, yun. Isa pa yung scrapper. Ito ang power cell. Radar. Ay, okay. Yung nasa puwet. Yung nasa puwet, yung kailangan tamaan. Kaya, silent strike na lang.
That hurt it.
Lapit na eh. Eh, makikita niya ba ako? Patay.
It's off.
Gusto ko pa naman gamitin yung warbow. Tingin ka dito. Last one. Ah, ano ba yan?
Quite a door. But how to open it? Hindi ko siya gets in a way na kung titingnan nyo, ano ba to? Cabling? The metal, the light. It's like this entire place is part of some huge machine. But who made it?
Oh, isang malaki siyang machine pero parang wala siyang organization or hindi siya organized in a way na kung cabling siya parang mas ang tingin ko sa kanya parang muscle eh.
That thing looks like a triangular pipe. What's it for?
Grabe daming cabling ko. Hindi ko alam ko
That
ano
might
to.
give me some cover if I need it.
Narinig tuloy. Kita ba? Ay, kita ako. Kita ba ako? Hindi ako kita.
It'd be fascinating if they weren't looking for me.
Dalawa. Huwag kang titingin sa likod.
Those things are moving components around. I wonder where.
Uy, may daga. Tingin dito. Ba yan? Tingin dito. Override.
Very helpful.
Yeah, bawal atang parang gusto ko kasi yung bumaba. Wala atang way para makataas.
It looks like those flying machines move components around. Might be able to take me somewhere.
Pwede bang kumapit? Yan.
Might regret this. Some machines are built in places like this. But why?
Kapit lang.
That's the heart of it all. It's gotta be. So how do I get inside?
Physically, pinakita lang nila sa atin kung ano yung pagdadaanan natin para makapunta dun sa gitna.
I've gone as far as this thing will take me.
Watchers. Paano ako makakatawid? Okay. Basta titingin ka lang sa akin. Tingin. Ah, silent strike na nga lang. May nakita ko isang parang crab na machine. Okay, muntik na yun, muntik na yun.
Keep quiet now.
Mahirap pag dalawa. Ayun, meron pa isa. Ito, Shell Walker. Daming watchers. Okay, one at a time. One at a time. Ito yung mahirap eh. May akyatan ba dito? Ay, naku po.
Now they're hunting me.
Kailangan matira yung Shell Walker. Hindi ko kaya yung Shell Walker ng marami sila. Ah! Tumingin ka dito. Yan. Stay put. Wala kang nakita. Reload. Lapit ka dito, lapit.
That one held.
Huwag ka mag-shield. Nangyari. Stay put ka lang. Okay, next. Tanggalin mo natin yung sled mo.
Keep it down.
Kala mo ah. Tama na yan. Ice. Okay. Okay. Kailangan ko ng herbs. Napaka-dramatic naman yung talon. Hindi naman niya kailangan kumapit dun sa handle. Maabot naman niya yun. Okay, lapit na. Game na mga sirs. Watcher. Tingin dito. Barel. Barilin mo ko. Ba yan? Okay, next is kailangan ko mag-prepare. Kailangan ko pala trip caster. Importante ito. Bellow back to fire. Patay. Fire bellow back pala. Wala pa ako nung freeze. Pero sige. Prepare lang tayo. Final trap.
Gotta switch weapons.
Sige. Abe. Sana may time ako para mapatay ko yung Bellowback bago ako ma-overwhelm dun sa mga... Alam ko may reinforcements na dadating. Game na. Game na. It's now or never.
That machine's not gonna let me tinker with this stuff.
Sabi niya eh. Meron agad eh. Yun, buti na shock. Putik yung tatlong watcher. Tatlong watcher. Wow. Okay. Ramdam ko na yung hirap. Ramdam ko na yung hirap. Ipot mo na kayo. Okay, one down. Please lang, please. Okay, two. Kumaya ka ng Bellowback. Bellowback. Aso pa. Okay. Game. Bellowback. Bellowback. Ready na ba ako? Pwet muna. Pwet. Walang talab sa pwet.
Holding!
Wow! Okay, game. Ah! Dami ko masasayang dito. Sure ako. Yun! Okay. Hindi pa. Pumuto ka na. Ay, sayang. Lapit. Lapit, lapit, lapit. Yun. Yung nilang heal. Ah! Ano ginagawa? Try ko nga to. Ah! Visit! Ah! Mali. Okay. Umaapoy na pala. Okay. Shit! Wala na akong pangil. Mata, kailangan ng mata. Stay put ka lang. Tagal nito. Matagal to.
See if they wish them dead.
Boom! Okay. Ubusan na ako ng spark. Nice. Hindi ko ba tamaan ko?
Stay out of their way.
Lapit. Okay. Tsaga. Tsaga lang. Lapit. Ayun, may nakita akong blaze. Kaso yun. Bye-bye. Hindi pa rin. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Very hard pa, ha? Okay. Uy! Mamaya yan. Maganda yung coin. Woo! Okay, balik na sa taas, balik na sa labas. Ah. Nagpapawisan ako.
This will help me override them.
Nagpapawisan ako.